Yo, what's up everybody? I miss you guys. I hope so you miss me too. Today is the family day and the road trip, and in generally we are going to Brano. If you don't know where is Brano, it's northeast part of Poland, just 6 kilometers to the border with Kaliningrad, or Kruleviec actually, because Kruleviec is the proper name recently, and this is like part of Russia. Why is part of the Russia? Because briefly, long time ago, when Poland was receiving back his borders, the Stalin at that time, not Putin, the Stalin was drunk and he was pissed off as we have to give the piece of border to Poland, so he just pried the line like this one, and that's why the straight line, because the border between Poland and Kaliningrad is just straight line, like, you know, like boom. So that's the story. He gave us this, he took still a piece of Poland, because obviously Kruleviec was Polish historically. Well, there's a lot of amber there, so that's probably he took it anyways. But that's most likely because of the amber anyways. Like every time. They stole everything from Poland. Germans stole everything, Russians stole everything. Those people are like nations, they always stealing from Poland, and then Poland is always like far behind because of everybody rob us. But wonder why everybody always fight about the Poland, because we are in the really central Europe and we have a lot of resources, and we are in just strategically in the best place in the Europe. That's why Germans and Russians and everybody always wanted to have a Poland. Anyway, we are going to Brano because today is my brother Marcin living in Brano, and his daughter Natalia have a Holy Communion. So today is family trip. From Poznań to Brano we have 400 kilometers. We already passed 130, so we are driving like 1 hour something. Total trip 3 hours 45 minutes. But if Winnie not gonna ask me for stop somewhere for pee-pee, because it may happen, most likely will happen actually, so the trip will be a little bit longer than 3 hours 45 minutes. But overall very enjoyable, beautiful weather. It's about 15 degrees, sunny day, empty roads. It's Sunday anyways, the roads, highways are always empty, usually empty anyways, so we are just cruising and enjoying. We'll see you in Brano. We'll show you a little bit of the family day. Also very important, it's been 15 years, 15, since we all reunite from my family, so my brothers and my parents, to see each other, sit under the one table, not under, next to the table. Under the table is not good in general. On the table, next to the table. What should I say? You know what I mean? I'm still sleeping. I wake up at 6 today. That's too early for me. Anyway, we're gonna meet all together for the very first time since 15 years. So that's very important and very, very big family day today. And also Winnie will be first time seeing all my brothers, because she didn't see Sebastian yet. So yeah, and Sayang, you can show the beautiful road actually, because we are cruising through beautiful Kujawsko-Pomorskie state recently right now, and the forest and the bridge. This kind of bridges because of the animals can cross actually peacefully from the one side of the highway to the another one, which is very cool. Highways in Poland are recently one of the best in Europe, so as you can see, and most of them, they are free of charge actually, which is also very, very cool. And well, that's how does it look like. We will see you in Brano. Not too many videos of Brano itself on YouTube, because this is like literally end of Poland, nearly, but in the northern part, so not many people visiting it. But my brother's staying there, and I will see you there.
Hi everyone, I'm here. So it's gonna be like a 4 hours drive. Wow. This is the first time, I think, like 4 hours drive to the border of the Poland and Russia. Wow. I'm super excited because we're gonna have a family gathering. Like Damian will sit together with the family, whole family, because his brother, the oldest brother also come, and this is also my first time to meet all full family in one table. I'm super excited and super happy for that. Honey, you chilled, yeah? So chill driving, right? No traffic jam, all green views, blue sky. Oh my goodness. Amazing. Barzo, Polyjam! Wow! Look at that. There is a sign of the... What animal is this?
Moose.
Moose?
Ah.
Oh, so we stop because of the moose coming?
Yeah, they fixing the road, but we have a mooses in Poland, especially in Warmińsko-Mazurskie, my state, in northern Poland, not only in Canada or somewhere. However, we also have it, so it's cool.
And look at behind you, the green flowers.
Rzepak.
Beautiful.
Szczęście dnia dzisiejszego. Specjalne podziękowanie siostrze organistce Justynie za śpiew i modlitwę, a siostrze Kince za piękną dekorację kościoła.
So we have a family dinner basically in one beautiful restaurant here. So nice. So we start with the rosso. Amazing. Yay! This is coming actually. This one is the cutlet.
Schabowy.
Tak.
This is the volai, which is like a kind of cordon bleu.
And this one is
Salad.
the salad.
And then more deeper is miseria also over there. There. This is like my brother Sebastian. He came from Ireland, living there for so many years. That's my brother Martin. That's his mother-in-law there. That's my papa. That's my mama. If you don't know somehow, that's Anya. That's his my brother's Marcin wife. That's Natalia, the star of today's ceremony, and that's his sister. So, and the rest of the family over there, from the Anya side, of course. So this is like potato, mashed potato. The salads came. Then you have some feta salad, Greek salad, the Caesar salad. You have some chicken nuggets for kids over there. Yeah. Then you have a Greek fish. There's the fish inside, actually. And then you have some wrap, and then you have some galaretka, which is like my finger. The galaretka, which is like kind of gelatin with chicken gelatin, and then you have another salad, and also you have a cake. What I'm eating. So it's a lot of food, and the food is coming. So that's how does it look like the buffet in Poland in general. There is some holidays going on.
Lots of food. Smacznego.
This is also the potato pancake with the salmon and everything. So it's generally like a lot of food. Another things coming in. You see, I have no idea what is it, but looks actually pretty decent, isn't it? Something with bacon. A lot of food, actually.
Wow.
How do you feel, Saya?
So full.
But nice? Not? What is it? Tell me, what is it?
This one is just like with the salmon and then the sour thingy, and the potato is so good. This one, this is like the 5-star restaurant, I think. 5-star restaurant.
That's good. Enjoy, Saya.
The end of this, for the dessert, basically they will have a very big tart like this. So nice. And this one is like, this look like a big family family lunch. The cake looks so good, so yum. And this one is the big family lunch. This is how it looks. Situation basically after lunch. I feel like I'm already full, but the cake. It's so tempting, so nice. So after we got a cake, now it's ice cream time. So many food here and so good. Okay, so we are going to the ocean.
Baltic Sea.
Baltic Sea. Wow, finally we are going to the beach.
Yeah, first time beach for you.
Aha.
It's not season for tourists yet, but slowly it's like opening up, and soon will be somewhere to park here and you will see the water, the sea.
Nice, and already so many small shop like this. Right, so we just arrived at the Baltic Sea, right?
Yeah, a little town called Stegna, because it's near to the place where actually my family hometown and also brother Martin place nearby the Elbląg. Maybe you're familiar. Next door is Jantar, also cool place. And this is like a tourist city nearby the Baltic Sea and everything. So we'll show you a little bit around. It's still 1 month before season, but already it's busier when I was here last time in end of October. Definitely it's better now, and it's nice weather. It's chilly, but it's nice weather. Okay, let's go. I will show you around side.
One thing, going to the beach, but wearing with a full suit and jacket like this.
Oh, and they charge you 10 zloty per parking per hour, or 40 zloty for full day. And they look like the table. They have a plastic table in the middle of the forest and make a spot. Looks like feels like Bali little bit. This is like everywhere around the world when it's tourist spot and the water must be something like that. It's like crazy, right?
Let's go. Oh, this is actually the area where there are so many restaurants. Oh wow, look at that on the left, on the right side. Already, some people enjoying the time in the restaurant. Wow.
By the way, the recent price for the fish here, because Polish people are familiar, right? If you're going to the Baltic Sea, wanna eat fish, it's about 10 zloty per 100 grams, 100 zloty per kg for the dorsz. So like that.
Right. Seems like it's really tourist spot. You see, like I told you once, everything is here in Poland. If you want to find ocean, you can find ocean here.
Maybe the water is there.
Let's go.
Sayang.
I feel freezing cold.
Hot cappuccino and jacket. The sea is over there. It's nice. It's okay. It's alright.
Yes.
Nothing special, but it's alright. We have it. But we have to come back when the summer comes, yeah?
I think on your birthday, kohani.
Yeah, July will be nicer. I don't want you to get masuk angin later. I will have to do the karaoke for you. And we're lucky we have a tiger balm. Okay, let's go.
Freezing cold.
Okay, let's walk in the woods over there a little bit at least, huh? And I wanna have ice cream also. Basically, you can walk on the beach, but it's actually really cold today. Windy, not too many people, but on the promenade it's a little bit better nearby the woods because it's not so windy. You really feel
You
cold.
always make fun of me.
But we're gonna come back during the summer, huh?
Right.
During the summer will be better.
Yes.
But at least you know there are tourist vibe and the water is also here, right?
And clean.
And clean.
The most important thing is very clean.
It's just too cold today.
Too cold.
That's it.
Really. Yay! Finally, I'm in the ocean, but with a different outfits.
I never saw you actually wearing the hoodie and jacket on the beach in my life, though. First time, honestly.
Right.
But
And
nice.
And the thing is that I saw some people already swimming in the ocean. Oh my god. Don't they feel cold like me? But the thing is that I believe that during summertime will be a crowded pack with people. Now it's spring. I can see that slowly the shop and the restaurant already opening. But yeah, happy to see that people are enjoying their best time during the weekend.
Okay, let's go have an ice cream and walk to the woods a little bit. Because actually I really like the woods here in this one. Hey, Sayang, did you notice they have a rubbish bins here?
Yeah.
No rubbish, but rubbish bins.
Yeah.
We don't have a rubbish bins in Bali that much,
No.
but rubbish a lot.
Look at the birds there.
Wow, birdie.
Wow.
Nice. Hey, in the woods it's also cold, huh?
Right. here actually, if you can smell it, this is a smell of the pine trees. It's very nice, crispy, fresh air from the ocean, and also the smell of the wood. It's so amazing feeling, but only the mist is the cold.
Yeah, the cold.
The rest, oh la la. I know that there is no coconut trees like in the tropical countries.
But the pine trees are nice.
Yes.
We're just gonna come back when it's warm, yeah?
Yes.
It's just too cold today.
Right.
Okay, let's go. But I still wanna have ice cream though.
Let's go. Damian really want to have an ice cream. Let's see. It's ice cream time. Damian really want to have the ice cream like that. He is a big fan of that ice cream. Look at this cake. Yum 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 yum. And then ice cream. Oh. That's the price. Look, even here, it's the price in the tourist place is the same like the price in the Poznań, for example. Like this one. Ooh. Ooh, look at that.
My ice cream. This is the small one. Imagine big one.
All right. Smacznego, kochanie.
So that was our trip to northern Poland. 4 hours drive one way. We're gonna stay over in my mama house, which is still 1.5 hour drive at least. We are almost through. And tomorrow we're going back to Poznań. But that was like little bit family day, family video. End up with ice cream for me, a little bit too cold. So I only enjoy it, and we will see you tomorrow. Usually Sayang is saying like that, but well, I used to do so. See you tomorrow or next time.
Bye.
Sponsorem programu Wszystko Gra jest właściciel marki oferujący kolekcję mebli na taras.
Hello, cow.
Yo, what's up?
Woohoo, baby. Let's walk. They are
Yeah.
scared.
No. A którędy do domu?
Bye
A którędy do
bye.
domu?
Do widzenia. Mo, do widzenia. Look at the sunset. Oh, nice. Very nice. And this is the way to go home. That's mama home. Woohoo.